Here you see me showing the hair texture and how it matches. This is the main foundation of a good install. Just starting off with a good trim. I see a lot of people on the gram trimming off so much hair, but 9 times out of 10, the client runs the show in my chair. So if they can go on with just getting a minimal trim and allowing their hair to catch up, I'll let them do that. If a customer wants to go with my recommendation, that's great, but when you come to see me and you spend your money with me, you absolutely run the show. The only time that you don't run the show is if what you're requesting will cause extreme damage. I won't damage your hair at your request. But if you don't want a big chop or to cut off 4 inches of your hair, that's definitely your choice. Here's everybody's absolute favorite part, the tip install. Don't mind my angles. Sometimes I'm just trying to get this footage while working. I don't want to inconvenience my customer, but I want to get that footage out too, so if my angles be off, don't mind me. I would definitely like to add the importance of making sure the hair is properly prepped for an extension service. As you probably heard in some of my other videos, this service lasts 12 to 14 weeks. And so you want the hair to be ready for such a commitment, ready for something like this that, you know, is a strand by strand situation. You want them to be, you know, prepared for such a length in time. Also, it just helps out a lot. Like, your customer should be your number one priority at all times, and their hair care is, you know, what they come to you for. I know that's why my people come to me. It was so beautiful how these curls matched with her hair. I installed them on straightened hair, but you could see that if she wanted that curly pony, she could for sure have that, and it would look so natural, just like her own hair. And that's what people really want. Here I'm just showing how neat the install is and how flexible it is right after being completed. She's not in pain. She's not shying away like as if it hurts. And that's one of the main things that you want to make sure, you know, that the beads aren't too tight. Most people, when they come, they want it heat styled. Everyone always says, oh, does the hair straighten? It does. The reason why the hair isn't bone straight right now is because, in my opinion, in my chair, I like to curl hair that's textured. The curls last longer and you get more of a natural feel of the hair. When you have textured hair, your hair is not bone straight. Yes, this hair could be pressed out straighter than this. However, I like to curl from textured hair. Here you could just see some of the versatility that my beautiful client is going to be able to have with her microlink I-tip extensions. And although her hair is fine, she still has complete coverage of her beads. She could wear that beloved ponytail that we all love. Oh, it's so beautiful. And of course, I wouldn't be me if I wouldn't show that section perfection. You know, a lot of people are doing I-tip and microlink extensions, and I don't even know how they really get their method down, but I love how clean mine are. When they're clean like that, you're gonna have clean grow out. Your maintenances are gonna be easier. Your push-up service, the tightenings are gonna be much easier. I love doing curl comb outs. Like, I just like to add a little body and movement to the hair. Some people like to have that hard curl look, like I just left the salon, these curls ain't going nowhere. Some people just like a little style. Like, I just got my hair styled, nothing major. And then of course, just showing that there's tips one more time for the people in the back in case you missed it the first time. It's like perfect timing because this is what you came for, to see this install, okay? She will be able to put her hair in a ponytail, a half up, half down pin up, and wear it down. 2 ponytails is a different type of install. The hair would be sectioned and installed differently. Thank you so much for watching.